Hello, my name is Siti Aisyah binti Osman and I will present on problem statement. As you can see, there are 5. Let's start with number 1. Inadequate storage space. Due to an absence of office space, a lot of companies suffer with congested and untidy record storage facility. This is not only hinder quick document retrieval and location, but also lower overall office productivity. Second, security and privacy concern. Business handles sensitive and confidential information daily, and safeguarding this data from unauthorized access and potential breach is of utmost importance. Without proper security measures, organization risk exposing critical data, lead to reputation damage and legal ramification. Third, inefficient retrieval process. Traditional filing system often lead to delay or misplaced record, wasting value, time, and resource. Inefficient in retrieval process can impact customer service, hinder decision making, and impact day-to-day operation. Number 4, lack of disaster preparedness. Business must be prepared for unexpected events like natural disaster or emergency that could jeopardize the safety of physical record. Without an adequate disaster recovery plan, crucial documents may be irretrievably lost. Number 5, complicated and regulatory challenge. Organizations must comply with various industry-specific regulations concerning record management. Failure to meet this requirement can result in severe penalties.
Next, I'm going to tell you about our record center motto. Our motto is meticulously records, secure works, unlocking your success. Next one is our vision. Our vision is to be the most insightful and resourceful commercial record center that excel in manage and preserve the records. Next is a mission. Our mission is to manage and preserve record information for the office staff, the citizen, and the general public.
This is our logo.
Next is a Shield Record Center objective. We have three objectives for our record center. The first one is to provide the best service for our client. The second is to promote our record center to the public. Lastly, we want to help people detect errors, prevent frauds, and avoid paper waste.
Potential client. A record center has a potential to be very useful tool for many different business and organizations looking for effective record management solution. Its service available for prospective client for commercial enterprise. Our company estimate number of potential client with this spectrum may range to 100 to 200 corporation enterprise. This number are approximation and may differ according to local demographic, marketing initiative, and level of competition. She record center client is likely to expand and maybe outpace this initial projection, or as it solidifies its position and display its capacity to provide dependable and secure record management. Core business. Number 1, receive or record to center. The documents are carefully processed and reviewed after arrival. Our devote team guarantee the strictness, secrecy adherent to data protection law. To protect all the record, we use cutting-edge technology and rigorous security procedure. Workflows are made easier by effective management of files, which allow quicker access to authority individuals. Records are easily accessed for retrieval and analysis thanks to our dedication to efficiency and accuracy. We want to streamline information interchange and improve organization operation to the use of our dependent system. Experience a disciplined and secure approach to data management when you entrust us with your record. Number 2, storage and maintenance of record. The strictest security and care are used when maintaining and storing record. Our cutting-edge facility offer a regulation environment guarding against natural disaster and unlawful entry and damage to the record. Over time, the integrity and reliability of record are ensured by routine maintenance inspection to ensure the compliance with pertinent law and regulation. We uphold stringent data retention rule. Our knowledgeable team use cutting-edge digital archiving technique that enable quick retrieval and easy accessibility. The highest priority is maintained confidentially, and only authorized personnel are permitted access. Count on us to protect your record, preserve the word, and facilitate more efficiency business process. Third, reference and access for record. We provide effective record reference and access solution. Our through indexing cataloging system makes sure that certain documents can be retrieved quickly, saving precious time and effort. Through specific authentication mechanisms, authorities personnel can safely access record. Our user-friendly interface enables easy access to both tangible file and digital archive. Our top priority is data integrity, and we can make sure that all records are correct and current. Customer always receive timely assistance in finding and collecting necessary information thanks to our customer-centric approach. Count on us to deliver a dependable and well-organized reference system, giving the company easy access to your crucial information wherever you need. Number 4. Appraisal for record with enduring or permanent value. We carefully evaluate any record that have enduring or permanent worth. Our knowledgeable team evaluate each document historical, legal, and informative relevance. We look at records that demand long-term preservation through meticulous review. These priceless documents are safeguarded from degradation or loss by kept in archival quality condition. We follow industry best practice and global benchmark for archival assessment, ensuring the preservation of crucial data for future generations. We contribute to the crucial and historical heritage by identify and preserve documents of long-term significance, supporting future research and information sharing. Number 5. Disposition of record, either transfer to archive or secure destruction. Transfer to archive or secure destruction are the two main ways we deal with disposition of record. Records that are considered to be lasting or historical work are carefully evaluated, and if necessary, we transfer to specialized archival institution for a long-term preservation. On the other hand, records that no longer important, we are secretly destroyed in according with law and environmental standard. Our methodology makes sure that private information is permanently and retrievably deleted to protect the privacy. By using a well-organized disposition process, we maximize space usage, uphold data compliance, and support efficient information management procedure.
Okay, next is for establishing an administrative structure. First is record manager. Her name is Nur Amira Afifah binti Abdul Latif. Okay, next is record supervisor. Her name is Siti Aisyah binti M. Usman. After that, we have administration. Her name is Sharuha Umairah binti Ahmad Shabri. Okay, next is for storage and processing. Her name is Nur Adilah binti Muhammad Nashid. Okay, for 3.0 is collecting data and record management system. And for 3.1 is data survey. As you can see, for 3.1.1 is site visit. Before establishing our own record, we conduct some research for our reference. We choose farm record management in Bangi. What we learn from our research were how they organize for their record, how they manage their system, and what service they offer for their client. For 3.1.2 is survey of literature. Besides site visit, we also conduct literature review. We had a lot of literature review through the website. We visit many websites like Marine Site, Scopus, and others for our literature review. The title of our literature review was Managing Public Sector Record, a study program. Next, for 3.2 is outcome, and for 3.2.1 is existing record policy. Okay, first for transferring process. The recruiting agency transmit its record for our record center, where we preserve and update them with the information given to us. Okay, next for storage. Our record center accepts semi-active record from governmental, private, and other groups in order to save the record in our record center. Okay, for 3.2.2 is action for disposition. Our record center will dispose of records that have expired and no longer needed. Okay, for 3.2.3 is average. We must estimate the average amount and sequence of convention record for current, semi-record, and non-current records.
Okay, now we move to the deciding on a physical site for the record center. Shared Record Center is located at Jalan Pari off Jalan Tun Abdul Razak 30100 Ipoh, Perak, Darul Zizwan, near Perak Syariah Judicial Department. The location was picked because it is strategically situated in a prominent region with a wide range of public and private businesses. Additionally, the shared record center is situated in a prime area with less safety risks like flooding and landslides because it is built on a solid surface. We move to transportation systems. Shared record center use various transports including vans, lorries, cars and motorcycles. Shared record center crew must arrange for suitable transportation for transporting big quantities of documents to ensure sufficient security and protect records from the elements like pollution and other risks. Vehicle must be covered, secure, attended at all times, and clear of anything that pose a harm to data, including chemicals. Okay, next is communication systems. The shared record center crew utilize a communication system with a office phone, email, fax, and computer for client meetings, record transfer, agency requests, and information on the records and archive institution operation to enable agency to request reports, to inquiry about statistics and other informations on the operation of this element of the record and archival institution, or to learn if records are there or not. Communication systems are necessary.
Okay, for 5.0 is constructing or adapting of a building for use as a record center. Constructing new building for 5.1. In order to meet the rising demand for office space, a shared record center plans to construct a contemporary office complex in the center of the city. They want to build a record center at Ipoh, Perak. So this is a floor plan for our record center.
Next, this is our record center building costing. Next is our pilot project. The agency that involved with our pilot project is Maybank, Pejabat Tanah dan Galian, Perak State of Public Works Department, and lastly, Perak Syariah Judicial Department. The reason why we choose this agency is because all of these agencies near to our record center. We also provide them with our consultancy service. And lastly, this pilot project plan to be finished in 3 or 6 months. We already start this project in 2023.
As you can see in the slide, there are 3 strengths and 2 weaknesses of our record center. We start with the strength of our record center. Number 1, organizing, indexing, and organization. Record center use effective and organized indexing and organization technique. They classify and index record using clear system, make it simple for organization to rapid search and retrieve particular paper. In order to promote the productivity and efficiency, this organization decrease the time and effort need to obtain the information. Number 2, electronic asset and digitalization. Electronic asset and digitalization of paper document are 2 services that often provided by the record center. By converting paper document into digital file, this technique encourages paperless process and make information more accessible from distance. Particularly in current digital era, digitalization improve efficiency, collaboration, and accessibility of record. Number 3, storage with climate control. Business record center frequently offer storage space with climate control. By minimizing harmful elements like temperature change, hardening, and bug, with this they regulate environment and maintain the integrity of physical data. This is crucial for keeping sensitive and priceless paper, including delicate archival material or historical document, in the safe. For the weakness, there are 2. Number 1 is lack of security. It is possible that some commercial record centers lack reliable security safeguard, making record vulnerable to theft, data breach, and legal access. For companies that deal with sensitive or personal information such as medical record, legal document, or financial data, this weakness can be problematic. The data breach and privacy violation are more likely without adequate security measure, which could have negative impact on an organization brand or legal standing. Number 2, lack of storage space. Commercial record center might not have as much as storage capacity as they want. If they don't extend the facility or as the client increase, they can find it difficult to handle the rising number of records with both current and potential new clients. It also may cause delay in accepting new data, or crowded storage condition may result from this, which may affect how easily record can be accessed and how they should be organized. This These are the recommendation solution for weaknesses. It is essential to select the reliable provider with approved track record in security measure to ensure data protection and confidentiality. To secure record from legal access and online danger, these include implementing access control, encryption, and data protection technology. In order to uphold a high standard of responsibility and compliance, regular security audit and confidentiality agreement should be implemented. While working with the record center to improve storage organization and efficiency, organizations should simulation prepare for future expansion and scalability. That effective storage space management will be aided by regular record bursts and legalization, as well as by taking into account off-site storage, rotation, and hybrid solution. Launching program. Share Record Center launching a new program is a carefully planned and strategic process. The first step is defining the specific program objective. A project team for relevant department ensure the comprehensive planning. Need assessment help identify improvement area and resource required. Resources are allocated following a detailed program plan, investing in record management software and technology, engine efficiency and security. Staff readiness is assured through training and awareness campaign. Pilot testing allow for adjustment before full adoption. Continually improve and compliance monitoring ensure a successfully launch and long-term effectiveness. Tentative program. In the slide show our program in 25 January 2024 and located in Para Judicial Department. Our program start in 9 in the morning and end in 4:30 afternoon.
Next is promotional activities. We choose to promote our record center through the social media. We use social media. It is because social media is the, the most popular channels to advertising, and many people use social media in this day. The next one, we also use a poster. We distribute our poster near to our record center or a place around our record center. In the poster, we include more enough information about our record center, like the service that we offer, price, and contact information if they have any question. Lastly, we also use an official website. Why we use an official website? It is because there will be some individuals who will question about our company legitimacy. And also having an official website help us to make a good impression and convince clients that we are a respectable business. Next is type of special format in Share Record Center. We have 5 special formats that our client can send to us. The first one is a paper, photograph, audio-visual material, electronic records, and lastly, maps and plans.
First is temperature and humidity. The storage room temperature is important for storing records. To make sure the records are in a good shape, we need to control the temperature and humidity of the storage room. Next is pest control. Pest control is the most crucial thing in every record center. Is it because pests can harm the record they are being kept in the record center? For example, cockroaches are only one of the several pests that are always present at record centers. And the third one is disaster control. Disasters are unforeseen and may happen in an instant. As a result, every business should take effort to avoid this.
Determining a plan for costing service. In the slide show the costing of our staff in our company. Starting with record manager and record supervisor, the salary is RM2,005. For administrative, storage, and process and security, we start with 2,000. And for the clerk, salary is in Malaysia ringgit 1,005. The janitor, we put 1,000, and for the total is 25,000. Facility and equipment. For facility, we provide toilet, cafe, prayer room, parking, and waiting room. For the equipment of our staff, we provide office chair, office table, printer, receptionist table, all-in-one PC, trolley, ladder, air condition, and more if you see on the slide. All the costing for the equipment and furniture is total 75602.6. Equipment of our staff, we provide office chair, office table, printer, receptionist table, all in one PC, trolley, ladder, air condition, and more if you see on the slide. All the costing for the equipment and furniture is total 75602.6. Costing, after calculate all the costs as you can see in the slide, the total is RM 128,132.60.
In conclusion, the future success of our envisioned shared record center depends on effective marketing initiatives and continued development. To ensure the development and long-term viability, we must implement clever marketing strategies that emphasize that value we offer to various industry and organizations. Target market initiative will emphasize how our record center addresses specific industries' regulatory requirement and records management challenge. That's all. Thank you.